All right, guys, so welcome to Mixus. Now, let me just give you a brief walkthrough of the platform. So to get started with your first AI agent, all you got to do is click on agents, and you can see we have a few different options here. You can choose to run a pre-built agent, so we have some templates for you here to try out. But to get started with your own custom AI agent, all you got to do is click on create agent and choose do it for me. So here, all you got to do is describe in plain English what you want your agent to do, and Mixus will automatically create that agent for you. Now, after that agent is created and you run it, you can go over here to agents and see your agent's dashboard. So here you have a list of all the different agents that you have running, what status they're in, what steps they're taking, and so on and so forth. So here you can see we have one that's paused. We can go ahead and resume that agent. We can also see here we have one that's running. We can see the one that's in waiting for verification, meaning that there's a human that needs to verify a step before any further action is taken in that agent. Now, let me show you the integrations over here. So this is where you want to go to connect your different apps to Mixus. Now, after you connect an app to Mixus, your Mixus AI agents are going to be able to read from these sources and take actions such as adding new files to G Drive, reading from your calendar, reading Jira issues, or sending emails, etc. So this really helps you automate cross-app workflows that you have today. Now, next, let me show you the files that we have here. So if you want to add any files into memory that you want your Mixus AI agents to know about, all you got to do is go here and click on Upload Files. So this can be any file type. And once you add that in here, when your agent is running, it's going to be able to reference this file and the content to produce better and more relevant results for you. So this can be a customer list that you have that you want your Mixus AI agent to be reaching out to, or a list of financial reports that you want your agent to analyze. Next, let me show you the My Organization page over here. So this is where you can see the members of your org and add in new members. So you can add them in by sharing a magic invite link or invite them by email. Now, after you do that, when you run an agent, you're going to be able to add them as verifiers over here. So when you say, hey, I would actually like this step over here to be verified by someone in my team, you can simply go ahead here and choose who should verify that step. Now, let's say you have a lot of different departments in your org and you want to separate your agents into different categories. You can do that very easily by going here to spaces and create a new space. So here you can call it anything like marketing department or whatever you want to call it. And you can add in the people that belong to that department. So whenever they're creating agents, they're going to have their own space where they can run and manage their agents and verify the steps without having to look at all the other agents that are running in your org at the same time. So this was just a brief overview of the core features of Mixus. If you have any questions at all, please don't hesitate to reach out to us. Thank you so much.